go for this schedule 1 application for temporary residence. Okay, now here also you have validate button, but this does not generate any barcodes. Okay, indicate your principal applicant. So I'm just putting sample. You have to do as per your own case. Full name Smith John. Date of birth, UCI 8 or 10 digits, whatever is applicable in your case. But it's again not mandatory. But there's nothing to hide. They're gonna find it out anyway, right? You do serve in military, militia, or civil defense, or serve in any security organization. I select no. Have you witnessed or participated in the ill treatment of prisoner of civilian looting discretion of select no. Membership in organization, I select no. Government positions, I select no. But answer as per your case. Don't just no for all. Since the age of 18, during the past 5 years, which were most have you traveled to any country or territory other than the country of your citizenship or your current country or territory of residence? I select no in our sample case. But yes, then definitely provide. And at the end, you can validate. Validation completed successfully. So this validation means you have filled up all the mandatory fields and you have entered the acceptable format of the values. But this doesn't validate if you have entered correct information or not. That you have to do it yourself, because if you don't do, you may get into bigger trouble. Now I'm going to take you back to the GCK